In today's video, we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ, and it's going to be more of a teaching video because it's already happened, okay? So in this case, we're going to talk about symmetry again, and we're going to look at one of the things that I did look at in advance and did post when we had the end of day updates, and it comes from these prior swings, okay? This prior high to low swing was 178 points and 3/4. This prior decline was 178 points, and then I projected both of those from the high that was made May 16th and projected those downwards for possible support. That's what gave us this 55, 48, 49 area. Now, it wasn't a perfect hit of the zone because the actual low was made at 55.50 and a half, and this decline wasn't exactly equal to the others, but it was very similar, you know, 178, 178, 176, actually almost 177. So that's one of the things that told us to start looking at the buy side again at that point. And what you have to acknowledge now is that we've now met the initial upside target off of that low that comes in at this 57.75 area. If we do continue the rally, we will look for this 58.36 area as target number 2. And as usual, I'm going to tell you that many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings. That doesn't mean that I want you to short the NASDAQ, okay? But it does mean that if you did take a trade against that support or any of the intraday setups that we had in the trading room, I want you to ratchet up stops just in case, okay? Because typically you will see, you know, symmetrical pullbacks in the market, then you see a termination at an extension, symmetrical pullback. This was actually, I believe, 3 targets before we saw another decent pullback. But since we do see many moves terminate around extensions of prior swings, it's a really good time to protect profits.